Okay, so I'm here today with Gary and Lisa Mulholland from Zenith Fitness Training. We're just going to have a couple of questions, ask them about their experience working with us here at Accelerate Website Agency. I know I've sort of introduced you guys. Do you want to just introduce yourselves again?
So I'm Gary from Zenith Fitness Training in Perth in Scotland, and this is my lovely wife and business partner.
I'm Lisa, lovely to meet you.
Okay, super. So how long have you guys been working with us as a website client?
3 years?
3 years, I think
it's 3 years. Yeah.
Wow, that's doesn't seem like 3 years.
No,
It seems like
it's gone very quick.
Yeah, it has, hasn't it? So, quick question before we get into the meat and bones of this. What was your biggest challenge when it came to your website and your marketing before you met us?
I mean, we didn't really have a website. I had tried to do something on one of the sort of the free build it yourself websites, or very, very low cost build it yourself websites, and I think actually probably for the first year it said
under construction,
yeah, because I hadn't actually finished it. And then Lisa took over and did a little bit of work on it, so we had something, but it in no way converted leads. It didn't really reflect what we did, and there was certainly no data with that as well.
No.
So we had absolutely no idea whether it was or not performing. We just didn't get leads. So.
And we did go with a local company because we thought, we were like, all right, okay, that's the best kind of avenue to go down, go with a local company, but it wasn't specific to what we needed.
So, were you skeptical of anything when you spoke to us?
I think it's always the uncertainty of how expensive is this going to be, and
is it going to be worth it?
That's it. What are we going to get back from it? And do you know what I mean? We could not be happier with actually the value we've returned from it, and we've now got the data that shows how much we spend versus actually how much we bring in terms of leads, conversions, and actual sales every month.
Okay, so that takes me on to the next question: is how is your website performing?
It's brilliant. We've actually.
Not only the website though, the website, it's the kind of full package that you guys provide, because our Google reviews are 10 times better. Everything that you guys, the training you've given, everything's been better.
Amazing.
And even when like Charlie was from FMA, one of the other partners, was doing a website review of their own clients, and obviously ours came up as part of that, and it was like there wasn't really anything to improve on, which is great to hear from obviously a third party to see actually is there room for improvement, and there wasn't.
No, ticking all
they
boxes.
would expect from a market point of view.
Perfect. So how has having an improved website had a positive impact on your business?
Nice steady growth in terms of what we actually bring into the business, consistent lead flow. I think having a little bit of being able to customize it, so it's very much your standard and your framework, but it's us that's on the website. So when people come in to meet us, it's not like a sort of shock as to the difference. It performs very well, but it's actually very much still us.
Yeah, and I think as well the ease of being able to have that support from you guys. Like you are constantly there. Any issues that we've got, any changes we need to make, we have you guys supporting us, and that itself means everything, because when we were doing it solo before, like we didn't know what we were doing.
Amazing. So anything else that you want to add, and what would you say to anyone who's thinking about working with us?
Just do it. It is a solid investment. You'll be able to see exactly what you get back from it. The fact that it can be broken down into a monthly cost, a big barrier for us was a huge upfront cost for a one-off website that we were potentially going to have to pay again down the line. The fact that we get a monthly subscription but also receive that monthly support. We've always got people to go to. We can always ask questions if there's any support we need. Even the landing pages, the amount of extra landing pages we've asked you guys for as part of that package has been huge, so we can really tailor it to our marketing at the time. I would recommend any.
I think for me, you guys have genuinely made my job a whole lot easier, and that in itself just frees up so much more time to do other things, that I don't have to worry that, you know, I need to make tweaks on the website or if it's performing, because you guys have just nailed it, and we couldn't ask for better.
Amazing. Thank you very much.